Most people get this wrong. They think all online banks are the same, but the surprising truth is that Current and Chime target slightly different audiences with unique features designed for modern banking. Current is designed for fast access to money, instant notifications, and perks like cashback on spending. You won't believe what happens next. It offers a teen banking option, early paychecks, and fee-free overdraft up to a certain limit. Its app is highly interactive, with budgeting and savings tools that are perfect for tracking daily expenses. Chime, on the other hand, emphasizes fee-free banking, automatic savings, and early direct deposit. Its standout features include roundup savings, SpotMe overdraft protection, and strong security measures. Chime is ideal if you are looking for a simple, low-cost way to manage your money without hidden fees. Here's the comparison. Current offers more advanced perks, better cashback options, and a more gamified experience. Chime focuses on simplicity, reliability, and automated savings. If you want an engaging banking app with extra features, Current wins. If you prefer a straightforward, fee-free account, Chime is the safer bet. A few things to know. Both banks are fully digital, so there are no physical branches. Customer service is app-based and can be slower than traditional banks. Also, some features may require premium plans. In conclusion, Current is better for users who want extra perks, gamified budgeting, and family-friendly features. Chime is better for those who want simplicity, fee-free banking, and reliable automated savings. The best choice depends on your priorities and banking style. Subscribe for more honest online banking comparisons to help you choose the right platform for your money.